Look, what can we expect tomorrow with the market open? So first, geopolitical tension over the weekend and airstrikes have paused in talks are pressing forward. But can the U.S. Iran take the off ramp? Trump ordered military not to conduct strikes in Iran Friday. Okay, so yun yung mga breaking news over the weekend, and gold edges up as Brent eases Mid East developments in focus ahead of Fed meet. Right? And also, oil USD, oil commodities are all down, DXY up. So, what can we expect with gold? So, first, what happened was gold went up to as high as 4160 only to go down to 4,025. Very wild swing. So, yung ATR niya, napakataas, no? Um, Talaga namang medyo volatile pa rin talaga. No? Pero with coming week, I'm leaning towards having a bullish gold. All right. So bakit bullish gold? So first is yung again yung ating bullish divergence, no? So hindi pa tapos, although tumaas na siya, no? Na-break niya na yung itong bearish downtrend, and also napaka wild ng retest niya. So this from 4160 all the way down to 4025. I think that's a kind of retest ni gold. All right? So if itong 4025 na break niya, as you can see here, medyo matibay talaga yung 4025 na yan. Ayan. So napakaraming uh, support and resistance dyan. Okay, so pag na-break niyan, then we can assume that gold will resume on the downtrend and probably go even lower. Okay, probably first targeting 3950 and then 3880. Okay, but for me, since I'm expecting that this is a retest, and also with the Fed rate hike priced in, okay, probably this down move ng gold for the past few weeks, and sa Thursday na madaling araw, it could be priced in, but for me it could still go like this, no? So from here it may go up and then go down, back down again, and once the Fed rate hike and Fed rate announcement tapos na, no? Friday or probably Monday, it may go up. And if there's any development with the U.S. and Iran war, okay. So those are the factors that we are looking at. But right now, we're leaning towards being bullish with gold. Okay, and again, I would go long here at 4,050 since ito nga medyo matibay-tibay ano na break niya. And then multiple times yung trinay subukang bumalik dyan, but yun nga, hindi pa niya nababasag. But let's see sa Monday open if mabasag niyan, it will go down to 4,020 and eventually going back down. But for me, if this holds, then I would look for like this for this kind of setup. Okay, so this is gonna give us one is a 2.64 risk to reward ratio by buying. This is on a H4 time frame, all right. Buy at 4,050, okay. And SL niyan, invalidation niyan is around 4,000, okay. So we're targeting 4,160, which is the recent high, and also targeting 4,185. We're not out of the woods yet. We're not targeting a bigger up move, but as for now, we can target this 4116, 4185. Yan. So ito yung uh, recent high niya na nasa resistance before the bearish trend. But as you can see here, again, we are still very bearish when it comes to market structure. But Ganun naman lagi eh. Nag-hold talaga si gold at 4,000, which is a whole number, psychological support level. Okay, 4,000. So, multiple times na hold niya. And if gold goes back there, there's a chance na it could break. It could break na. But as long as this holds 4,050, we're gonna go long for the coming week. And looking at here, okay, so we are still on a sell sa H4 time frame, D minus above the D plus. ADX is just neutral, so it's just ranging. Okay, so you can see this is a very wild range, at 3,960 all the way to 4,185. That's $200. Okay, so 2 years ago it's not like that. If magre-range yan, it's around just around $50. But right now, um, ranges are very wild. Okay, and more stocks, DJ30, and over the weekend pala, XAU 24/7. You can trade this with Vantage Markets, XAU 24/7. If wala kayong time during the weekends, you can during the weekdays, and weekends lang kayo makapag-trade, then you can do so with XAU 24/7. Okay, all other metal commodities, they're all closed during the weekend except this. Okay, so yun lang. We're still very bearish with the market structure. Although nagkaroon ng breakout, but still not enough. If we want to have a sustained bullish movement, we want to see, no, we want to see breaking 4,185, then targeting 4,300, and then pag nabasa nyo to, then we can assume na talagang um, we can target 4,500, no, as long as it keeps going and keeps making higher highs and higher lows. And even with that move, even with that kind of movement, we still want to take out 4,800 in order for us to go back higher, no, to the all-time high, and eventually, and so siguro um, the last part ng 2026 is we are based on history, historical data, no, see gold and the metal commodities are actually bullish. So yun lang, we are not 100% with that, but if you are going to do a back test, no, even if you do a research from August to all the way to December, it's actually very bullish, no, not totally bullish all the way up. We're not expecting um, that it could go up like that, no, so we don't really expect that kind of move, but rather uh keeps making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, those higher lows are our opportunity for entering the market, no. With that, I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community where we provide trade ideas and trade signals. And also, if you want to have a one-on-one coaching session, you can just give me a message there. So see you.